Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, hi everyone. So this is the video for the lecture in week 4. We will learn about we are still in chapter 2, so we continue with the subtopic of numerical descriptive measures. So how can we analyze our data and make them useful for any work? So there are 3 useful statistical measures that can provide good descriptions of the populations. Okay, are the mean, median, and mode. Okay, we look at the first one, which is mean. Okay, the mean is the measure of central tendency that is computed by taking the sum of all values divided with the number of data. Okay, usually it is called arithmetic mean. So this is the symbol for mean. Okay, we call it as X bar. Okay, we need to find the sum of all values and then divide it with the total number of the value. There are different formula for us to calculate the value of mean. Okay, it depends on the case where the data is ungrouped data or ungrouped data with frequency or group data. So we will use different formula for all of these 3 types of data. So how about finding mean for ungrouped data? Okay, you just simply add up all the values in the data set and divide it by the total number of the data. For example, okay, want to find the mean of the medals scored by 8 students in the competition. So this is our data. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 data altogether. So we just need to sum up all the values here. 8 plus 1 plus 6, okay, plus 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 0 and plus 5 divided by 8 because we have 8 data here. So the answer for mean will be equal to 4. Okay, next for ungrouped data with frequency. Okay, for example, this data given, okay, you can see that this data is the ungrouped data and you are given a frequency here on the second row. Okay, so we want to find the mean number of the siblings of 50 students in a class A. So how do you know this second row is the frequency? Because there are 3 students didn't have siblings. There are 10 students having 1 sibling, 16 students having 2 siblings, 10 students having 3 siblings, 6 students having 4 siblings, and 5 students having 5 siblings. Meaning that this is the frequency. Okay, frequent, berapa kali terjadi. So maksudnya yang having 5 siblings 5 times. Okay, having 4 siblings, there are 6 times of data. So this is the frequency. So here is the example of ungrouped data with frequency. Okay, so for the solution, we need to draw another row to find the value of the data. Okay, so the number of siblings is our X and the number of student is our F because it is the frequency. So we need to add another row, the third row, which is for Fx, meaning that we need to multiply the first row and second row, F with X. Okay, so 0 multiplied with 3 equals 0, 1 multiplied with 10 equals 10, 2 multiplied with 16 equals 32, and so on. Okay, then we know that our n is equal to 50 because the total number of students here, we total up the second row, it is equal to 50. So how to find the mean, okay, we need to sum up our third row, okay, which is 0 plus 10 plus 32 and so on. So it is equal to 121. So 121 divided by our number of students, total number, okay, which is 50. So the value of mean is 2.42. Okay, next. Okay, we do some exercise. Find the table. The table below shows the distribution for the number of children registered for a particular factory's family day by a total of 150 parents. So we can see here our data is the type of ungrouped data, okay, ungrouped, and we have a frequency here. So this is the ungrouped data with frequency. Okay, so we need to determine the mean, okay, of this distribution. So we need to use the second formula, okay, which is formula for the mean of ungrouped data with frequency. So based on the previous example, we need to add one more row, okay, which is for fx. Okay, fx. So this is our x and this is our frequency. Okay, so add another row here. Okay, so what we need to do in our third row, we need to multiply first and second row. So here we have 0, 25, 90, 75, here is 60 and 50. Okay, so for finding the mean, we need to sum up our fx, okay, with n. Okay, our n is 150. So to sum up our fx, we need to add all the values in the third row, which is 0 plus 25 plus 90 plus 75 plus 60 plus 50 and divided by 150. So could you please find the answer for me? Okay, so that's the value of our mean. Okay, next. Okay, this is the formula for finding mean for for group data. Okay, group data. In the frequency distribution table, data are given using interval. Okay, you can see here in our first column we have data in terms of interval. So meaning that our data is group data. Okay, so to calculate the mean, we need to use the midpoint of each interval. Okay, midpoint of each interval, and the formula for finding the mean for group data is total of fx, okay, divide by total of f. Okay, what is f, what is x? F is the frequency and x is the class midpoint. So here we need to find the midpoint of each of this class interval. Okay, so look at this solution. Okay, based on our question on the previous slide, okay, we are given the column for maximum load and number of cables. So we need to add another two columns here, okay, which is for midpoint and f times with x, f multiply with x. So this is our f. Okay, here is our f. So here is f and here is our x. Okay, so in the fourth column we need to multiply f with x. Okay, second column multiply with the third column. Okay, so this is the original column, so this is the new column, okay, for midpoint and fx. So how to find the midpoint? Okay, midpoint is a central point. So in our interval, okay, 93 until 97, so the central value between 93 and 97 is 95. Okay, 93, 94, 95, 96 and 97. So the middle one is 95. So the midpoint is 95. Or you can use this formula to find the midpoint. Okay, you need to add 93 with 97 and then divide it by 2. So it will become 95. Okay. The same way we want to apply with the second interval here. So how to find the midpoint? So the interval is between 98 until 102. So 98, 99, 100, 101, 102. So this is the midpoint, which is 100. Or you can use this formula to find midpoint. 98 plus with 102 and then divide it by 2. So it will become 100. Okay, so that's how we find our midpoint. Okay, so our midpoint in 95, 100, 105, 110 and 115. Okay, and then for the fourth row we need to multiply f with x. So 2 multiplied with 95 equals 190. 5 multiplied with 100, 500. 12 multiplied with 105, 1260 and so on. Okay, so and then we need to sum up our fx here. Okay, 190 plus with 500 plus 1260 plus 1870 and plus 1610. So it is equal to 5430. Okay, to find the mean, okay, we need to divide our total of fx, which is 5430, with the total of frequency here. Okay, total of frequency, which is 2 plus 5 plus 12 plus 17 plus 15, which is equal to 50. So our mean is 108.6. Okay, let's do some exercise here. Okay, when you receive questions about the calculating the mean, okay, you need to analyze this question whether it is group data, ungrouped data, or ungrouped data with frequency. So we can see here the data was given in the term of interval. So this is the type of group data. Okay, so we need to use formula number 3, okay, to find the mean. Okay, so this is the interval. Okay, the interval 0 until 5, 5 until 10, 10 until 15, 15 until 20, and 20 until 25. So we need to add another 2 columns, okay, which is for midpoint, which is x. Okay, the number of employees is the frequency, so this is our f. And the last column is for fx. Okay. Okay, what is the midpoint for this interval? Okay, 0 until 5, meaning that we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the midpoint here is 2.5. Okay, or we can use the formula 0 plus 5 divided by 2, which is 2.5. So the midpoint, the first midpoint is 2.5, and then the second midpoint we simply add 5 with 10, 5 plus with 10, and then divide it by 2. Okay, it is 7.5. And then the third one is 10 plus 15, which is 25, and then divide it by 2. So we have 12 plus 5, and then 15 plus with 20, so it is equal to 35, and then divide it by 2. So here is 17.5, and the last one is 20 plus 25, which is 45, divide by 2. Okay, the answer will be 22.5. And then for the fourth column, we need to find f multiply with x. Okay, so for the first row, 5 times 2.5, okay, which is equal to 12.5, and then 5 times 5.7, 52.5, and so on. Okay, so that's our fourth column. So to find the mean, we need to sum up our fx and divide it with the sum of f. Okay, so here is 12.5 plus 52.5 plus, and so on. Okay, so we have here 655 divided by 50. So our mean is 13.1. Okay. Okay, here are some advantage and disadvantage of mean. Okay, the advantage of mean is it is easy to compute and easily interpreted as average. Okay, so our value of mean that we got from the previous examples, okay, are actually the average. Okay, so the definition of mean, okay, it is equal to average. And then the disadvantage of mean, okay, the first one is the value of mean may be affected by extreme values because it uses all the data values in its calculation, and there may be a difference when calculating the mean for group and ungrouped data, okay, because we are using different formulas. The third one is may not be representative of the whole sample, and we cannot be mean cannot be used for nominal or ordinal data. Okay, the next one, we look at the median. Okay, what is median? Okay, the median is the value that lies in the center of the data. Okay, median is the value at the center of the data, where half of the data are greater or equal to median, and another 50% of data are smaller or equal to this value, because median is the center value. So 50% is greater than the median, and another 50% are smaller than the median. So to determine the median, we arrange the data in ascending or descending order. Okay, we need to arrange the data in order, no matter it is ascending or descending, and then we select the center value of the data as the median. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, same with the calculation of mean. Okay, we also use different formulas for the calculation of median for ungrouped data with the frequency, and group data. Okay, the first one for ungrouped data, we know that the median is the middle value, okay, middle value and ordered data. If there is an odd number of observation, or there is an odd number of data, okay, that is arranged in order, the median is the middle value of data. Okay, let's say we have 5 datas. Okay, 5 datas which is 1, 2. It is already in arranged in order. Okay. Okay, let's say we have 5 datas here, so our median is the middle one. Okay, this is our median. Okay, our median is the middle one, the middle value of data. If we have odd number of data, okay, odd dekat sini 5 lah. Okay, and however, if there is an even number of data, let's say our even data is 6. Okay, 1, 2, 4, 10, 12, and 15. Okay, it is already arranged in order. So, what is our median? Okay, where we know that the median is the middle value. So, if we have even data, so what is our median? So, in this case, our median is the average of the two middle numbers. So, these are our two middle numbers. So, we need to find the average between 4 and 10. So, we need to find the average. Okay, 4 plus 10 divided by 2. Okay, so this is our median for even data. Okay. So actually the steps are, first you need to arrange the data in order. Okay. Actually it is no matter it is whether it is ascending or descending order. Okay, as long as it is arranged in order. Okay, and then the position of the median is n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, divided by 2. And then if you know the position of the median, okay, this is the formula for position median, bukan median, position of the median, and then we find the median value. Okay, so this is the symbol for the median. Okay, we look at some example here. Okay, so we need to calculate the median score obtained by 8 students in the pop quiz. So our data is even data. Okay, first step, we need to arrange our data in order. Okay, for example, we want to arrange in ascending order. So we start with 44 first, 44, and then 60. Okay, am I right? 60. Oh, sorry, it is not 60. 59, and then 60, and then 71, 76, 80, 82, and 88. Okay, am I right? Okay, so second step is we need to find the position of the median. So 8 plus 1 divided by 2, because we have 8 datas. Plus with 1 divided by 2, it is 45. So 45, the position of 44.5. Okay, so where is 4.5? This is the first position, second, 1, 2, 3, 4. So meaning that 4.5 is between these numbers. Okay, I repeat, here is the first position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 and 4.5 is lies between 4 and 5. So inilah 71 and 76. So we need to find the median. Okay, we need to find the average between 71 and 76. So 71 plus 76 divided by 2. So our median is 73.5. Okay, it's very simple. Actually, the median is the middle data. So the middle data is here. okay, where the left side we have 3 datas and the right side we have 3 datas, meaning that 71 and 76 is the middle data. Okay, so you just need to find the average between these two numbers. Okay, let's do some exercise. Okay, so this is actually the ungrouped data. Okay, ungrouped data. So we need to calculate the median. Okay, the first one we need to arrange this data. Okay, I already arranged the data. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 data. It is an even data. Okay, so the position of median is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the position of the median is here. Okay, we have 4 data left and 4 data right on the right. So we just need to find the average between these two numbers. Okay, add up these two numbers and then divide it by 2. So our median is equals 70.5. Okay. Okay, next we look at how to find median for ungrouped data with frequency. For ungrouped data with frequency, a new row will be added for the cumulative frequency. Okay, cumulative frequency for the third row. Okay, example, we need to find the median of the data in this table. Okay, number of sibling and number of students, same with the previous example. Okay, this table. Okay, so we need to add another row here, which is for cumulative frequency. Okay, so how to find the cumulative frequency? Okay, 3, bring it down here, 3. And then 3 plus with 10. So we got 13. And then 13 plus with 16, we got 29, sorry. 29 plus with 10. So we got 39. 39 plus with 6, so we got 45, and 45 plus with 5, so we got 50. Okay. Okay, so first we need to find the position of the median using the formula before. The position of median is n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, where our n here is 50 because we have total number of 50 students altogether. So 50 plus with 1 divided by 2, so it is equal to 25.5. Okay, 25.5. So where is the position of median is on the 25.5 data. Okay, data yang ke 25.5. So di mana data yang ke 25.5? So here is the cumulative frequency is 3, meaning that 0 until 3. Okay, and then ini 4 until 15, 13, 14 until 25, 26, 29, and then here 30 until 39, and so on. So we can see here 25.5 lies in this interval, 25.5. So our median is here equal to 2. Okay, so our median is 2. Okay, because 25.5 is lies in this interval, so this is our median. So our value of median is equal to 2. Okay, what mean by that? So it means that 50% of the students have 2 or more siblings, and another 50% of the students have 2 less than or 2 more siblings. Okay, So maksudnya 2 ni adalah tengah-tengah. 50% dekat sini, 50% dekat sini. Okay. Okay, remark here for group data. Okay, group data, selepas ni kita akan belajar for group data, the odd or even number of data will be treated the same. But before that, let's take a look at one example here. Okay, we want to find the median of this distribution, which is ungroup data with frequency. So based on the previous example, we need to add another row, which is for the cumulative frequency. Okay, so here we got 30 plus 25, so it is equal 55. Okay, 55 plus 45, 100 plus 25, 125 plus with 15, 2, 3, 4, 140, and 140 plus with 10, so 150. Make sure you got the same number with the total of the respondent. Okay, so first we need to find the position of the median. So altogether we have 150 data, so plus with 1 divided by 2, so it is equal to 151 divided by 2, 151 divided by 2, 75.5. So where's the 75.5 data yang ke 75.5, so dia dekat sini lah. Okay, so our median is 2. Okay. Okay, next slide. Okay, for group data, how do we find the median? Okay, median for group data. There are two methods, okay, employed in estimating the median for group data. The first one is using formula and using graph. Okay, graphical interpolation. Okay, by using formula, okay, so this is the formula for median for group data. Okay, but before that, we need to perform step 1. Okay, step 1, we need to find the cumulative frequency. Okay, cumulative frequency, and then find the position of the median. So this time, the formula for the position of median for group data is total of the frequency divided by 2, and then insert in this formula, okay, to find the median. So look at this formula. We have LM here, okay, plus with the stuff here and times with C. So here is a total of the frequency. Okay, total frequency. LM is the lower class boundary of the median class. FM is the frequency of median class. Fm minus 1, it is located here, is the cumulative frequency before the median class. The cumulative frequency before the median. And C, okay, C is here, the class size of the median class. Okay, we'll take a look at this example. Okay, we want to find the median. Okay, median for this data. Okay, you are given the maximum load, okay, in terms of interval, meaning that the data is group data, and then this is the frequency. Okay, so we need to add another column, which is for the cumulative frequency. Okay, how to find the cumulative frequency? 2, dekat di sini 2, and then 2 plus with 5 equal to 7. 7 plus with 12 equal to 19. 19 plus with 17 equals 36, and 36 plus with 14 equals 50. Okay. So, first one, we need to find the position of the median using this formula. Sorry. Okay, this formula. Okay, position of the median. Total of the frequency divided by 2. Okay, so the total of the frequency is here. Here is our F. Okay, the frequency 2 plus 5 plus 12 plus 17 plus 14. So it is equal to 50. Okay, so 50 divided by 2, it is equal to 25. Okay, 25 is the position of our median. So meaning that this is the position of our median. Here. 25. Okay, because 2 is actually 0 until 2. Here is 3 until 7. Here is 8 until 90. And then here is 19 until 36. So 25 lies in the interval here. Okay, 25. So we know that we can obtain our value of the median from this interval. Okay, then we need to find all the values to be inserted in the formula. Okay, macam yang dalam formula tu ada LM, F ada FM, FM minus 1. Okay, we need to find all of that item so that we can insert it in the formula for finding the median. So the first one, to find LM. Okay, LM is the lower limit of the median class. Lower limit. Okay, lower limit of the median class. So kita kena cari limit lah dekat sini Okay, so this is our median class. So the lower limit is 107.5. Okay, lower limit. Maksudnya antara 107 dengan 108, tengah-tengah dia 107.5. So this is our lower limit. Okay, lower limit. Okay, and then to find FM. Okay, FM is the frequency of the median class. Okay, so this is our median class. The frequency is 17. So our FM is 17. And then to find C. Okay, C is the median class size. Size of this median class. Okay, meaning that from 108 until 112. Okay, there are how many terms? So kita kira lah daripada 108, 109, 1110, 111, 112. So there are 5 terms. So our C is 5. Okay, kira daripada 108 hingga 112. Okay, so that's how we find our C. And then for FM minus 1. Okay, actually this is the cumulative frequency before the median class. So this is our median class. Okay, we need to look at the cumulative frequency before the median class. Okay, meaning that it is 19. Okay, 19. So after having all this value, we need to substitute in the formula. So, okay, like this. So to find the median, okay, this is the formula. So we just need to insert all the values that we got from the previous slide. So our median is equal to 109.26. Okay. Next. Okay, let's take a look at this exercise. From here, you can see that our data is in the form of group data. Okay, group data, and we want to find the mean, median, and mode. Okay, so I just want to show you how to find the median, okay, not mode. Mode dengan mean ni tak perlu, okay, kita buat median sebab kita in the subtopic of median right now. Okay, so the first one is we need to find the median class, okay, median class. But before that, I forgot that we need to add another column, okay, which is for the cumulative frequency. Okay, cumulative frequency. So here is 9. Kok row ni kecil sangat lah, sekejap Okay, and then 9 plus with 16 25. 25 plus with 27 52, and then 52 plus 44 96. Okay, 96 plus 42 138. So 138 plus 23 equals 161, and then plus with 7 168. Okay, and then 170. Okay, so we want to calculate the median. Median class. So our median class is total f of the frequency divided by 2. So total of, this is our f, okay, our f, the total of f is 170, meaning that 170 divided by 2 equals 85. So 85 is located here, okay, in this class interval. Okay, so this is our median class. Okay, then we need to find all the items to be inserted in the formula. Okay, so our n is equal to 170. Our LM, okay, LM, which is the lower limit of the median class. So the lower limit is between 29 and 30. So 29 plus 0.5, okay, our LM. And then our total of Fm minus 1, meaning that the cumulative frequency before the median class. So this is our median class. The cumulative frequency before it is 52. Okay, and then our Fm. Fm is the frequency of the median class. So the frequency of the median class is 44. And then the last one is our C. C is the median class size. We need to find how many terms, okay, from 30 until 34, okay, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So it is equal to 5. Okay, so masuk dalam formula lah, the median equal to LM plus, okay, n divided by 2 minus m minus 1 by Fm times C. Okay, so our LM is 29.5 plus our n is 170 divided by 2 minus 52 divided by 44, and then multiply with 5. Okay, if you are using your your calculator, make sure you calculate the value in the bracket first. So 170 divide by 2, okay, and then minus with 52. So we got 33. Okay, and then 33 divide by 44, 33 divide by 44, and then times with 5. Okay, so we got 29.5 plus 3.75. So the answer will be 33. Okay, our median is 33.25. Okay, so 33.25 is the middle data. Okay, what is the advantage and disadvantage of median? Okay, the advantage is it is easy to understand, it is always exists, and it is always unique. Okay, we only have one value for median, meaning that it is unique. Okay, and extreme values do not affect its value. It may be the best measure of center if the extreme values in the data set. But the disadvantage of median, okay, the median give the value of only one, only the middle term. Okay, and in group data, the value of the median can only be estimate. So maksudnya yang daripada kita guna formula tadi tu untuk group data, okay, itu hanyalah estimate value of the median. Okay, the third one is to calculate the mode. Okay, what is the meaning of mode? Okay, the mode is the value that occurs more frequently in the data set. So maksudnya nilai yang berlaku banyak kali, yang paling banyak kali. Okay, for example, this data 35201455. So the mode is 3 because 3 occurs many times. Okay, 3 ni berlaku lebih banyak kali berbanding dengan data yang lain. Okay, example 2. Okay, here our mode is 2 and 5. 2 and 5 because 2 occurs 2 times and 5 occurs 2 times. Okay, 2 dengan 5 ni berlaku paling banyak lah dan sama 2 kali. Okay, yang ni no mode. Okay, because semua data 11 berlaku 2 kali, 13 berlaku 2 kali, 14 berlaku 2 kali, 15 pun berlaku 2 kali. Semua data berlaku occurs dua kali dan sama semua. So dia tak ada mode lah kiranya, no mode. Yang ni tadi 2 and 5 mode dia jadi mode sebab dia berlaku banyak kali berbanding dengan nombor 10, nombor 7 dan nombor 1. Okay, tapi kat sini semua data berlaku sama banyak kali. Okay. Okay, so the calculation of mode, we have you just have two formulas, okay, for ungroup data and group data. For group data, okay, there are two methods that can use to estimate the mode for group data. Okay, using formula and using histogram. Okay, to find the median by using formula, sorry, it is not median. Okay, mode mode. Step 1, we need to find the mode class. Okay, mode class sama macam tadi median lah, kita kena cari median class, but this time we need to find the mode class or the model class. Okay, the class with the largest frequency yang paling besar. Okay, and then find using the formula, okay, to find the mode. So this is the symbol for the mode. Okay, so in this formula we have here LMO. What is LMO? The lower class boundary of the mode class. Okay, lower class boundary of the mode class, and then the difference of 1. Difference 1 meaning that here, difference 1 and here, the difference between frequency of the model class and the frequency before it. Okay, meaning that the frequency of the mode class minus with the frequency before the mode class. Okay, and then difference 2. Difference 2 means the difference between frequency of the mode class and the frequency after it. Okay, so you need to subtract the frequency of the mode class and the frequency after the mode class. And finally the C. C is the class size of the mode class. Okay, we will take the same example as before, okay, to find the mode value. Okay, mode value of the mode. Okay, so this time this is the question. Okay, so the first step is we need to find the mode class. Okay, what is the mode class? The class with the largest frequency. So here our mode class is right here, because the frequency is the highest, which is 17. So this is our mode class. So we need to find LMO, which is the lower boundary of the class containing the mode. Okay, lower boundary of the class containing the mode, meaning or the lower boundary of the mode class. Okay, lower boundary of the mode class. So our lower boundary is between 107 and 108. So kita kira akan jadi 107.5. Okay, and then apa ni? Oh, difference 1. Okay, difference 1 meaning that we need to find the difference between the frequency of the model class and the frequency of the class before that. Okay, so 17 tolak 12 jadi 5. So itu difference 1. And then difference 2 mean that the frequency of the mode class, okay, and the frequency of the class after it. So 17 minus with 14, so jadi 3. And then our C is 5 because C is our size of mode class. So calculating from 108 until 112, okay, we have 5 terms. So insert all of these values into the formula. Okay, 107.5 plus with 5 divided by 5 plus 3. Okay, multiply with 5. So our mode is 110.63. Okay, what is mean by that? It means that most cables are able to support 110.63 kg of load. Okay, so ini kita punya mode lah. Okay, the second one, to estimate the mode using histogram. Okay, I have teach you how to draw our histogram in our syllabus last week. So this is our histogram. So to estimate the mode using histogram, first you need to identify the mode class. Okay, so the mode class is the highest frequency lah. Class interval with the highest frequency. So tengok yang paling tinggi here. So meaning that here is our mode class. Mode class. And then you need to draw two lines from the highest left, okay, to here, and the highest right to here. Buat pangkah macam ni, kat sini, kat sini. Okay, so the mode is the value on the horizontal axis where these two lines intersect. So these two lines intersect here. So this is the value of the mode class. Mode lah. Value of the mode. So tengok dalam kertas graf kat sini akan dapat 110.65, lebih kurang. Okay, so kita lebih kurang dapat sama jawapan yang guna formula lah. Okay. Ini kalau guna kertas graf, kita boleh nampak exact value kat sini berapa. Okay. So kita buat exercise. Okay, you can see here our data is group data. Okay, so we want to calculate the mean standard. Kita cari mode mode. Okay, kita cari mode dia, or the model value. Okay, so first we need to find the mode class. So the highest frequency is here, 35. So this is our mode class. Okay. Okay, our LMO, which is the lower boundary of the model class, is 25.5. Okay, and then our C is the value from 26 until 30, 26, 27, 28, 30. So it is equal to 5. And then difference 1. Okay, difference 1 is the difference between the frequency of the mode class and the class before that. Okay, so 35 tolak 10, 25. And the difference 2, it is the difference between the frequency of the mode class and the class after it. So 35 minus with the 16, so 9 lah. 19. Okay, so insert all of these values into the formula. So our mode is 25.5 plus with the difference 1 divide by difference 1 plus difference 2. Okay, multiply with C. So just use your calculator. As usual, you need to calculate the values in the bracket first. So 25 divide by 44. Okay, 44. And then multiply it with 5. And then plus with 25.5. So it is equal to 28 plus 3, 4. Lebih kurang So this is our value of the mode. Okay, this is the advantage and disadvantage of mode. Okay, the advantage of mode is it is easy to understand. Extreme values does not affect its value and can be used to describe both quantitative and qualitative data. But the disadvantage of the mode is it can be more than one mode value in the data set. Okay, meaning that we can obtain more than one answer for the value of mode. Okay, and in second one, in group data, the value of the mode can only be estimate. Okay, because you can see from the previous example, the value of the mode when we use the formula and the value of the mode when we look at our histogram obtained from our histogram is a little bit different. Okay, so meaning that the values are only the estimated value. Okay, so that's all the syllabus for this week. Okay, in week 4. Thank you for your attention, and please do the tutorial on the soft copy of the notes that I gave you in tutorial chapter 3x. Okay, tutorial chapter 3x number 1. Okay, number 1A, you just need to calculate the mean. Okay, standard deviation no need. Okay, and then B and C tak perlu. Okay, just find the mean and the mode for question number 1. And then question number 2, 1 Roman, please find the mean only. And then number 2, no need to do. 3 Roman pun no need to do. Okay, so you all tengok soalan 1 hingga 10. So just do the questions about the mean, median, mode only. Okay, so we will discuss the solution in our tutorial class. Okay, so now you can proceed with doing your tutorial questions. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.